We have seen the flexible budget earlier, whereby you have to be very conscious about fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. And I told you the reason behind by top level management, because they don't know what is going to be happen in future, and budgets are always prepared well in advance. So what they do, they try to keep it for different you know um, activity level, so that whatever the activity they are going to execute in future, accordingly those budget to be compared, and if some corrective measures or certain decisions to be taken at that point of time could be taken. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about cash budget. Cash budget is again very important and integral budget, whereby it gives us the detail about cash required in days to come, which is very important. You must have seen like big companies, Jet Airways or Kingfisher Airways, they became bankrupt as it was not there that they were not having assets. Right now also their assets are available, but they were not having cash. They have not managed cash appropriately, and that is why today these are the case studies which we should learn, so that we should not indulge such kind of errors in days to come, being an entrepreneur or businessman or a company or CEO or say CFO. So it's very simple. In cash budget, the working note is very important. Every working note plays a very vital role. So we will focus more on working note. Once it is there, then it's very simple. You just take all the inflows together and all the outflows together, and automatically with the opening balance which will be given, you will get the closing balance, and those closing balance will be the opening balance for subsequent month. Don't worry, we will take it up entire question. So we are dealing with question number 5, page number 132. Let's move to page number 132. 27. This is the question. The Jaideep Company Limited has completed most of the functional budget, and it is now time to prepare their cash budget. An analysis of various concerned the reveals various budget concerned reveals the following requirements. Requirement for cash budget they have given. These are the detail from October 2008 till June 2009. Expected, these are expected. Sales expected is given, material is given, wages is given, some actual and some estimated data is given. Production expense, admin expense, selling expense, distribution expense, research and development expense, so on and so forth. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very important. Period allowed by creditors. Creditors is giving us 2 months. Keep in mind, I will ask all these things. Period allowed to debtors, 3 months. Lag in payment of overhead, 1 month. Every overhead is lagging payment of 1 month. Lag in payment of wages, 1/8 of the month. Cash balance on 1st January is expected to be 1 lakh. I told you always opening balance of cash will be given.
Opening balance.
Okay. Further, plant and machinery to be installed in April 2009. The cost of 50,000 will be paid by monthly installment of 10,000 from 1st May 2009. So keep in mind, even though the cost is of 50,000, the actual payment will start from 1st May of 10,000. These are outflow. Okay, extension of research and development at a cost of 10,000 will be completed on 1st January 2009, and payment to be made on 1st Feb 2009. So what will happen? Of course, from May onwards, 10,000 will be outflow for plant and machinery. And for research and development, in January, there will be a payment of 10,000. And in February, there will be a payment of 10,000. A sale commission 10% on sales is to be paid within the month following the actual credit sales. So wherever there is a credit sale after that month, next month, following month means next month of the actual credit sales, you need to pay the sales commission of 10% on sales. Cash sales 5,000 per month is expected. No commission is payable on cash sales. Company has higher purchase agreement under which 5,000 payment being paid for purchase of land before this budget, and this payment will continue throughout the budget period. Means every month there will be outflow of 5,000 for higher purchase agreement of land. So 5,000 every month. Preference shares dividend 8% on 2 million capital to be paid on 1st April. Again, these are outflow. Tax 1 lakh is due on 1st April. Okay, so we need to pay. Again, it is an outflow. Dividend from investment 70,000 is expected in May. These are inflow. 3 calls of rupees 25 each of 2 lakh ordinary shares due on 1st January, 1st March, and 1st June. So 2 lakh ka 0.25 rupees per share. There will be again inflow. These two are inflow of cash. These were the outflow of cash. Prepare a cash budget from for 6 months from 1st January 2009 to June 2009. So whenever they are asking for the cash budget, what we will do, we'll make the cash budget and we'll keep all these columns blank. So kindly make this column blank. And leave these many lines. Once it is done, please let me know. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm assuming, whatever is given here, these are the credit sales. October, November, December, Jan, Feb. So I wrote all these sales as a working note. I wanted to know how much is the collection from debtors. This is my first working note. Okay. So for debtors, what they are stating, the period allowed, credit period allowed to debtors is 3 months. Means what will happen? The sales which has been incurred in October, we are going to expect the payment in the month of January. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will not be 75,000, but it will be 80,000. So start doing this working note. 80,000, 60,000, 40,000. Let us first finish all the working note, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then 50,000. Are you getting this working note?
Yes, sir.
60,000 and 80,000. Okay. Now what will be the commission on sales? They are asking 10% is commission on sales. Yes or no? First working note is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The second I'm doing it. What they are asking us to do, there will be 10% commission on sales to be paid within the month. Sorry, commission on sales to be paid within the month following the actual credit sales. So जिस महीने में सेल्स हो रहा है उस महीने में पे नहीं करना है, फॉलोइंग मंथ पे पे करना है. कितना? 10% कमीशन ऑन सेल्स. So 80,000 का 10% will be how much? 8,000.
Yes, sir. 8,000.
6,000. 4,000.
4,000. 5,000.
5,000.
6,000.
8,000.
8,000. 7,000.
1,000. And
And the subsequent month of the year.
now in the following month.
Yes, sir. So these are the
Okay. So October ka we are going to get in
November.
November.
November, December, January, February.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
But I need the data from January to June. Done hai? Koi doubt?
January to June.
Till here in this workings, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now again, purchase is given. Purchase is given. I return all the purchase. And now what is the period given to the creditors is 2 months. So after writing all the purchases, the credit period is allowed for 2 months. Okay. So I will take 2 months credit. So what will happen? 40 will be collected here, 30 will be here, 20 will be there. Any problem with working note number 2?
No, sir.
Have you written these workings?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Writing.
Please take down fast.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Similarly, there is an adjustment for wages. Overhead I am not taking. Very simple. I need not have to take. We will start from December as I did. आपने देखा ना यहाँ मैंने just उठाया और paste कर दिया. एक महीने बाद वैसे ही होगा. हर एक overhead is next month. म्हणजे क्या होगा? दिसंबर से उठाना पड़ेगा. December will be in Jan, Jan will be in Feb, Feb will be in March, March will be in April. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
उसके लिए
Yes,
working
sir.
करने की कोई
Yes,
जरूरत
sir.
नहीं है. All overheads will go as it is, except wages.
Wages.
So let us do the working of wages. This is actual wages given for all the months from October 2008 onwards. So what they are stating, the lag means outstanding. 1/8. So 1/8 of the wages is after a month. So 7/8 of the wages will be in the same month. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes.
is what I wrote. 7/8 of the wages in the same month. 1/8 of the wages in the next month. ठीक है, इसका 7/8 ले लिया, सेम मंथ. 1/8 मैं डायरेक्ट नेक्स्ट मंथ में लिखना चालू कर दिया. This plus this if you'll take it will be 10,000. This plus this if you'll take it will be 9,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I took the total for Jan. These two का total, 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 and these two का total. These are my wages expense, which I got and I have taken as bold. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई तकलीफ?
No, sir.
Okay. So can we go for the income and inflow and outflow for the cash budget? So they are asking the cash budget from Jan, Feb, March, April, May, and June, which is the question. 6-month cash budget. Clear hai?
Adu.
Okay. So Jan, Feb, March, April, May, and June. Let's keep the opening balance vacant. Go for cash sales. I hope monthly cash sales is given. What is monthly cash sales expected? 5,000. Yes or no? Can you
Yes,
write
sir.
for all the months?
Yes, sir.
सारे महीने के लिए कैश सेल्स कितना हो जाएगा बताइए? 5,000 फिक्स है. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Collection from debtors. सर मैंने तो निकाल लिया है सर कलेक्शन फ्रॉम डेटर्स. है ना?
Yes, sir. We have done working note for that.
तो ये तो आप यहाँ रेफर भी कर सकते हो, वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1, बिकॉज इसमें मार्क्स ना वर्किंग नोट पे ही है। ठीक है। Then there are other two inflows which we have discussed. While reading the question, yes, one is in May and other ordinary shares all
70,000.
in arrear in January, March and June.
March.
It will come in May. And calls in arrear will come in January, March and June. और तो कोई इनफ्लो नहीं है। ठीक है, बाकी सब आउटफ्लो ऑफ कैश है। और एक चीज दिया हुआ था वो भी लिख लेते, ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश which is there in the question. Till here things are
1 lakh.
Have you written
Yes,
your
sir.
notebook? This all will carry.
Yes, sir.
याद रखना. Now let us go to outflows. What are the outflow? First and foremost, again from working note number 1 only, sales commission payable. सर वो तो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट किया हुआ है। कितना है बेटा? सर ये 4,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. So let us write that. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Even sir, हमारा payment to creditors also we have completed, which I am getting from working note number 2. And sir, wages का भी हम लोगों ने कर लिया है, which we are getting from working note number 3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Payment to creditors, we got it, sir. So let us write down. Wages, सर दिया हुआ है ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ये क्या हमने निकाला हुआ है, लिख लिया हमने। सर बाकी ओवरहेड के लिए हमको वर्किंग की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, हम लोग सिर्फ एक काम करेंगे, दिसंबर से उठाएंगे। इन स्पाइट ऑफ जनवरी आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिसंबर एंड मई तक लिखेंगे, जून का नहीं लेंगे। उसी तरह सर प्रोडक्शन का भी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का भी, एवरी का, all 6 months we will consider from December to May. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No problem, sir. We have all this. We have taken all this. Any doubt? यहाँ तक समझने में कोई किसी को प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next. Now let us come to the installment of plant and machinery. What adjustment is given? Sir, installment of plant and machinery will start monthly from 1st May. And this year, May and June, there will be installment of 10,000. And of course, July will also come, but that is not in my budgeting period. So मेरे पास तो 2 ही आएगा. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, sir, extension in research and development expenses to be paid in the month of Feb, that will come of 10,000. I will write, sir. सही है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, higher purchase is also given as an adjustment, and whereby because these two adjustment has already been considered. So higher purchase 5,000 monthly to be paid for entire budget period, sir. So we need to take 5,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So entire budgeting period, sir, 5,000 higher charges will come. Sir, one more thing is there in the adjustment, that preference share dividend will be paid in the month of April. That is also outflow. So let us pay the preference dividend as well in the month of April. Okay. Any doubt to anyone?
Yes.
Clear?
Sir, 2,000.
And tax payable is also there, sir, in April 2009. So let us pay 1 lakh ka tax also. Sorry, with this, my entire working solution is over. कोई doubt किसी को?
No, sir.
No.
Then what we will do? We'll take the total of 1st January का total inflow कितना होगा, sir? So I'm getting how much? 1,35,000. How much it is? 1,35,000. And what is the total outflow? I'll take the total till here. 65,875. कितना आ रहा है बेटा? 65,875. आप लोग भी वेरीफाई कर लो.
सर ये 1,35,000 केस है.
1 lakh?
1,35,000 सर कैसे है? पहले कैश इनफ्लो.
रामायण खत्म होगी, सीताराम की माता थी. ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? समझा? Is given, it will
So
always be
Prashant sir is asking for 1,35,000.
1,35,000. ये सबका टोटल.
Total of.
अरे 1 lakh
So it will be more, no?
ये 2 lakh
ज्यादा है
35,000.
1,80,000. हाँ.
2 lakh 35 आ रहा है. Sorry. This 2 lakh 35.
यस सर मैं बोला कि ये कैसे आ गए.
नहीं, ये देखो तो खर्चा बराबर आ रहा है क्या? 65,875. 135, 235 सही है. 65,875 सही है, बराबर है. So what will be the balance? Minus करो. This minus this. How much you will get?
It's 1,69,000. 125, I guess.
169, 125. Perfect.
1,35,000.
This is perfect. 169, 125. Again, this 169, 125 will be opening here.
Opening for
हो जाएगा ना
February.
बेटा?
Yes, sir.
This will be opening for Feb. Again, I will add all this. Sorry. Again, I will add all these three. कितना था देखो?
Two lakh 34,125.
टू 34, 125 और इसका टोटल 69, 575.
Yes, sir.
69. वापस माइनस करो. अगर ये मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगा तो अगेन सेम लिंक से ज्वाइन करना.
Yes, sir.
How much it is then? Yes, 69, 775, 234. 164, 550 आ रहा है क्या?
Sir, 164 650 आ रहा है.
550 आ रहा है, देखो.
100 कर रहे हैं. जी सर, जी सर.
Again, this will be the opening balance for next month. For the month of March. Again, we will do the same. ऐसे ही करते करते सारे बजट बनाते जाएंगे. अब बताओ इसका टोटल कितना है? I think I can take it from here. 259, 550 आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
259.
250.
Absolutely right. और इसका टोटल 82, 875.